In this video, I'll show you how to change the DNS server on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. First, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap the information icon next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Scroll down until you find Configure DNS, then tap on it. By default, the setting is automatic. Select Manual instead. Tap Add Server and enter your preferred DNS server addresses. For example, you can use Google DNS with 8.8.8.8, Cloudflare DNS with 1.1.1.1. Once you've entered the new DNS servers, tap Save to apply the changes. Your iPhone will now use the new DNS servers whenever it's connected to this Wi-Fi network. That's it. You've successfully changed the DNS server on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.